One call somebody now for market report, and the market report be say, I get market report now where they report things when they happen, bad things when they happen for inside markets, right? Now they would report them for market report. Now, you get one person when we go call, she get issues when we want report now for market news, ladies and gentlemen. All right, as with the dial they go make una prepare una self because all of una go still shook mouth put for the matter after she report this matter finish when they happen for inside market too, because all of us or some of us now get this dirty and witchcraft attitude. All right, I hope say the number will go through. The number now they ring, ladies and gentlemen. So make she follow us talk. What did she see when she want report for inside markets? Oh yeah, now I hope so she go pick. Once she not pick, now we'll go move on to the next. Hello, madam, how are you?
Good morning.
Yes, so madam, good morning to you. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. And you?
I do all right, so okay. If you like, call your name. If you like, you not call your name. Let us know what you carry call for market report.
Okay, Ratata. Good morning.
Morning to you.
And good morning.
Morning.
Everybody for Bodo the world. Good morning. Now, good morning.
Madam, talk to us now. We don't call you good morning. The good morning not they finish now. What for you, sir? For sure. Good morning, good morning, good morning. They pay you for the good money.
Greet my people now.
We don't greet finish. Okay, let me. Oh yeah, talk. Sure.
Okay, now the one where they for market they say. Some people where they market, then too they use saliva. They open nylon. They sell.
Wait, they use speed. Say they open nylon.
They use speed. Make I call them like that.
Call her speed.
They go put finger for mouth. They use them open nylon. They sell something, give person. You know they hygiene now. You know they pure. You know they do that kind of thing again. I beg market women. Or market men too. Not the only women they market. I beg. And another thing, some people, you know say our health they very important. Then we know they use they use a chemical to protect our beans or to preserve these beans here with the chop. And then say they use chemical. You know, say some people, they use that same measurement cup. They use and they measure gari. We know they wash gari before we chop.
Okay.
So many people know they use the same this thing. They measure gari. They use and measure beans.
Wait, they say conco when they measure beans, they measure gari. Okay, because for the beans they use chemical, they preserve them. But for gari, no chemical. So once person buy the gari, you go just chop out direct.
We they chop gari direct.
They take notes too.
They take notes.
Okay.
So may we check all those kind things. And some people they finger their nose. They go put hand for inside
My
nose.
God, and they get big nose on some they when we say their nose, it be like double barrel. It be like double barrel.
Some they go cough, they go sneeze inside hand, inside palm, and they go use that same hand they sell give us. So maybe they try, they check all these things. I beg.
You say you correct one person, you think I want turn to problem, Abi?
Sir?
Okay, no worry, go ahead.
So maybe they try. Maybe you know they do those kind of thing again. You know pure, you know fine for eyes to see.
Okay.
You know good for our health.
Yeah.
So as market women and market men, maybe they look clean. Maybe they take good care of ourselves. Maybe they treat our customer in a good way. Maybe they smile.
Okay.
Maybe they eat fine.
Okay.
Maybe look good. For women, maybe they wear fine clothes, do makeup, look fine.
When you come wear Christmas, make them
Your
wear.
marketplace
Hey,
na
where
your
you?
office.
Wait first. Yeah, I beg you. You're all too much. So make they wear fine clothes. Make they wear neat clothes. We should be saying make they come wear gele, wear this and that. Go to set for more.
They do makeup.
They do make. Yes. They can do makeup.
Light makeup.
If you like do
Light
makeup like
makeup.
wish, no problem. Do makeup like Ojuju, no problem. Madam, is that all?
Maybe they take good care of ourselves.
Thank you, madam. Yeah.
Thank you very
No problem.
much.
Thank you. Una don hear wetin she talk? Wetin she talk you?
She talk say
Wetin she count? Wetin she report?
Okay, the first one where she report na saliva spit. Say that they use this spit, take the open nylon, take the serve.
If you say you wan buy something, they go come put
they
hand
go
for
put hand
inside
for mouth.
their some get big tongue. They go put hand for the big tongue for spit.
Come open the nylon.
Okay, neme.
Take sell market.
Is that sugar?
Or garri
or beans or something.
rice give you. Say that
God.
one e no good at all.
Okay,
She dey beg all
neme.
the market women, market men,
Jesus.
anybody wey dey sell market no dey do that kind
for
thing.
your tongue.
If you know say
some no dey brush mouth. They talk am first before they
Okay.
go ahead. Some no dey even dey brush mouth sef.
Some no dey
They go
brush
just
mouth.
put their dirty finger for their dirty mouth.
Uh-huh.
Then open the nylon. If you tell them wahala go burst, wetin you call report
This
again?
one touch me. He said people wey dey sell beans na the same people wey dey sell garri. most of times. So you know say beans that they use preservative, all these chemical things. They keep these beans, say make it no spoil, make weevils no enter. So I know say na the same kolongo most of times.
Say pangolo. Say
Conco. Now they use, they measure the beans. They go use, they measure the gari. And you know say gari na.
Then now they wash out. Once you carry reach that, you can just put up water, drink am.
To mouth.
You can take a make a batter shop. But if na beans, you go first wash the beans first. So that one means if they use the cocoa, they say the beans. When you can make a they say the gari.
You go do your body one kind. The third one is say these people where they pick nose.
They go they pick their
sugar
dirty nose.
Inside nose. They pick the nose come out. They pick yama come out for inside the nose.
They go see you
now
say
that
hand.
same hand.
They measure gari.
They go use that they measure things.
rice.
People go take shop.
Good morning, Sankora.
Morning, no fire down with the year you market trust, market report.
I dey hear you yet. Now Friday they call you from Oba.
Oh yeah, fire.
I dey my shop because that this thing people will be say that they do I don't know why that they use speed. Cause me at this shop, the reason be say if you want to open some nylon, they how to open. Me I dey water, I dey get water inside my shop. I go just touch hand for water.
Exactly.
I know they use speed. I know they touch speed at all. Cause you no good at all. I get water near my shop. I go just touch am for water. You go open sharp. So that thing you no good. You no really good at all.
Apart from this one where you talk, say no be even them. Say they do for people for their own health too. You know say by the time you put your hand for inside your mouth.
Even the nylon said na chemical they
take do am.
And so
then
you
know
when
say
kukuma put your hand for
hand
mouth,
inside mouth. Na problem. Then you know say these people where they do that kind thing. They used to counting money. They go use the same speed to take the count money. I know say chemicals they follow money too.
They follow the
so all this habit of putting hand for inside mouth, make them stop. Put water for corner.
Good afternoon.
Okay, Mrs. UCA, Abi.
Yes, sir.
Fire that.
Not the only this, not the only Gary I'm missing. Other people have money. If they want count money like
they'll
this,
put spit.
they will first put you 2 crowns. That's no good though.
With their big tongue. God, Jesus.
Ma, and
the money self, some money now not go dirty. You
naira
for mad. Sometimes you go cause in our village there for the pursue you say now what you say they poison you.
Used to put it out for
you say they poison you and now you poison yourself.
Mom, yes, sir.
Yeah, talk to hear you.
Yes, and I think where the woman talk. And the woman just they talk the tell. I begin to imagine the whole process.
Yeah.
And it's true. They used to do it in the market.
Yeah.
Sometimes they use their breeze. They will use breeze.
What be that?
Breeze now.
Breeze.
Breeze.
Blow the nylon.
They go blow after they open and they go.
They will be doing it.
They go they spit for inside. Jesus! Jesus! After they blow, they are spit because they see inside the nylon. They will couple gari for inside. Hey,
now God do the save us for this.
See, this is how I talk about Gary. Again, when I go by Gary, I can't see one man. You see the big ring with your hand.
The big ring.
Use that ring, yes. Dirty ring like this.
Dirty ring. They just handed the measure the Gary.
That's what I say, Joe.
Hey.
Okay, I beg you.
God.
See what you do your hand now. Nice already concern me. I run though. If you use that sugar inside the Gary to take put inside that measurement.
My God. And the ring, they dirty.
Now God and they save us that. This is a totally small thing.
Jesus.
Yeah. It's a very serious issue we're discussing about this.
Yeah.
It's hygienic matter.
I'm telling you, hygiene.
If you see the thing dirty, the ring don't dirty for the one I don't know.
Only go. And they shook up for inside the Gary.
It go shook up now to take the Gary for the measurement now.
Hey God.
So, wait till this one. I beg you. I don't buy you. Say, carry on.
You see, and they're going to get bad mouth. They're going to get bad mouth.
They say carry on, they go.
They know what they do. They know what they do. And they solve you.
Next call. Thank you, Onikengo. Hello, the phone line.
Hello, Ra.
Morning to you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Fire down. Hey, thank you.
This thing make me remember 3 years ago. Where I believe. So as I come now, so I want to buy akara. People stand for where and they sell akara. Before you know, akara don't fall for ground. And so I carry the akara. I enter the oil back again.
Are you serious?
I tell and say, serious. I can't tell and say, why you go carry akara put body and other people stand there, none of them greet us.
They not talk and they go shop them.
Yes, he did there, no greet us. I say, why you go carry akara put for this thing? And
before you know, the guy don't start to insult me. See,
Now so.
he don't start to insult me. Say, how much I won't buy? I don't buy anything. I don't come here, come to talk. Now they don't talk rubbish. Now I leave and back.
You see? Now call they curse you with a sharp matter.
No, yes. Say, how many things I want buy?
Jesus Christ.
I don't buy past 2 or 3.
Nigeria.
That's the talk rubbish. And so I walk out come on for there. And some of them, then they start to sweat.
Yes. Yeah, they go use their hand to clean the sweat. No handkerchief. Even if they get handkerchief, say dirty handkerchief.
Dirty handkerchief, they go use that hand take comot the sweat, rub am for their body.
Oh Jesus.
They continue work.
Thank you, Jerry. Yeah.
This COVID-19, if they say, if not be God, then Nigeria.
Before finish.
Nigeria for diapers.
Thank you. We thank God. This is when they talk, not be joke, because it happen every day for our market. We talk about hygiene here.
Yes, no.
Saliva, spit, and sweat. Oh, God.
I know say get so many diseases where they transfer from with saliva.
With your dirty hand, with your dirty mouth, dirty eye, dirty face, everything. And sweat self, they with the dirty.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.